This video will discuss features that are available in ComicBee that can help speed up comic creation, such as the recently used list, grouping, and pinning. To quickly find and add any asset that you have used recently, just click the triangle pointer below the panel canvas area to reveal the recently used list. Grouping allows you to combine multiple graphic assets so that they behave like one image. This is useful when you have multiple assets that you'd like to move and resize together, or copy and paste. Hold Shift on your keyboard as you click on the assets you want to group. Now click Group. When you group items, they will come to the foreground or to the top of the layer list. As a reminder, you can view your layers by opening the layer pane. When you move the grouped graphic assets in the layer list, they will move together and stay grouped together. You can also use the buttons in the Arrange section to move your assets up or down in the layer list. The recently used list makes it quick to add individual assets. The pinned items list does the same for groups of assets. I've created a command line interface on the computer screen using multiple assets. For any group of assets that you will use more than once, it is wise to pin the group. Now I can quickly add this group of assets whenever I need it, just by clicking on it in the pinned items list. This is a great way to create a location or setting. Here, I've created an office location. I can select all the associated assets, group them, and pin the grouped item. Now in this panel, I want the location to be that office I designed. By clicking on the pinned item, the group will appear in my panel, and I can adjust its size or location accordingly. Background colors cannot be part of a grouped or pinned item. Use these capabilities when building your comic to help you create both your storyboards and final comics quicker and more efficiently.